In the previous video, we have learned about the different types of forests that are found in our country and what are the different types of trees that are grown there, right? Now, we are going to learn in this video about saving the forest. Now, why do we need to save forest, children? Yes, if we don't save our forest now, the future generations, the generations that are going to come in the next few years and then thereafter, they will face many problems. So now we will see what is the need, why we have to save the forest. Okay. Nowadays, humans are cutting trees on a large scale. This is called deforestation. What is the meaning of the term deforestation? Can you see here in the picture, children? Two pictures are shown here. In the first picture, you can see many trees, and there are few cut trees. And in the second picture, there is empty land without any greenery, without any trees, only the cut trees, only the empty branches. Now, this is called as deforestation. Once where a land is full of trees, with many, many trees, human beings for their own need to develop, like to set up industries, they need land. So to set up industries and for many other purpose, to build roads, to build buildings and all, they are cutting down the trees in many large scale. Large scale means many trees, thousands of trees are cut down every day. That is called as deforestation. We have to protect our forests not only because they are useful to us, but also our survival depends on them. We depend on the nature, we depend on the trees for many of our needs. We can protect our forest in two ways. So, in order to get the things what we are getting from trees in future also, we need to protect them. And there is only two ways. There are two ways to protect the forest. One is called as afforestation and one is called as reforestation. Now, to here, these two words sound same, afforestation, reforestation. But there is a difference in the meaning. There is what is meant by afforestation. The planting trees in an area that was not a forest earlier is called afforestation. In a place, in completely new place where there was not even a single tree grown earlier, that in that such places, if we plant trees to grow, that is called as afforestation. And planting trees on deforested land, that is the land or the place where once it was a forest, after cutting down, again if we plant trees to grow, that place or that type of forest is called as reforestation. Reforestation means regrowing of forests. India has a large variety of wild animals. To protect wild animals and to save the forest, the government has set up national parks and wildlife sanctuaries all over India. A national park is an area reserved for preserving wildlife, forest, and the natural beauty of a region. A wildlife sanctuary is an area reserved for endangered animals. The Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park in India. There are many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in our country set up by our government. Why they have set up these national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, children? To protect the endangered animals from becoming extinct and to protect the forest land and to have beauty of natural beauty in that area. We have Kaziranga and Manas National Park in the state of Assam, where we can find one-horned rhinoceros and the elephants. Next is Asiatic lions. Asiatic lions live in the Gir National Park in Gujarat. The Sundarbans in West Bengal is home to the Bengal tigers. Snow leopards are found in the Great Himalayan National Park. The Run of Kutch in Gujarat is home to the Indian wild asses. Birds are protected in the Sultanpur and Ranganthittu bird sanctuaries. These are the different places, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries set up by the government of our country. The Asiatic lions, they are mostly found in the Gir forest, Gir National Parks, which is located in the state of Rajasthan. And Sundarbans in the West Bengal state is the home to the Bengal tigers. Snow leopards are found in the Great Himalayan National Park, and Run of Kutch in Gujarat is home to the Indian wild asses. Birds are protected in the Sultanpur and Ranganthittu bird sanctuaries. These are some of the animals: Bengal tiger, Indian wild asses, Asiatic lion, and snow leopard. Hope you have learned many things from this lesson about our forests, about the national parks and the wildlife sanctuaries. Thank you, children.